In this project, the goal is to find the indirect measurement of something using one's height, their shadow, and the shadow of the object. In this case, me and Amit are indirectly measuring the goalpost to the right in the picture shown. We directly measured the goalpost to be an estimate of 209 centimeters. Each indirect measurement of the goal will be unique due to the height and shadow of each different person, but overall the results should be close. The math done will be using geometric ratios to find the proportions.
This is a diagram that shows the length of my height, the length of my shadow, the unknown height of the goalpost, and the goalpost's shadow's length. When directly measured, my height is 174 centimeters. My shadow, when directly measured, is 319 centimeters. The height of the soccer goal, when directly measured, is 209 centimeters. From my perspective, using geometric ratios, my height over x equals my shadow's height over the goalpost shadow's height. When the math is complete, we cross multiply, and then we get 319x equals 73,080. We divide each side by 319, and we get x equals 229.09. The goalpost indirect measurement from my height was 229.09 centimeters. The direct measurement was 209 centimeters. So from this, the difference between my indirect measurement of the goalpost and the direct measurement of the goalpost is 20.09 centimeters.
When directly measured, my height is 180 centimeters, and my shadow's height when directly measured is 335 centimeters. The goalpost shadow when directly measured is 420 centimeters, and x stands for the indirect measurement when the geometric ratios has been completed. So we cross multiply, and 335 times x and 140 times 420. 335x equals 75,600. You divide each side by 335, and x equals 225.6 centimeters. Now, this stands for the indirect measurement of the goalpost. As you can see here, the goalpost's indirect measurement from my height was 225.6 centimeters. The direct measurement of the goalpost was 209 centimeters. So from this, the difference between my indirect measurement of the goalpost and the direct measurement is 16.6 centimeters. Since Amit and I measured ourselves and the goalpost at the same time at which the sun was directly shining upon us, this created the sun's rays to be directly the same angle at which the sun was pointing down to the ground. The goalpost and the person, either Amit or I, were standing vertical, creating a 90-degree angle. Now, the angle from which the sun was pointing to makes a similar angle between the goalpost triangle and the person's triangle, and the vertical standing creates a 90-degree angle for the goalpost and the person's triangle. Now, the third and final angle is congruent because the two other angles are congruent. Now, this creates an angle sequence for a similar triangle. This is the reason why both triangles are similar. One thing that may have affected our results is that we did not record everyone's measurements, including the goalpost, at exactly the same time. So the shadows could have been different, which may have affected our results as a whole.